Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna do a Halloween to fall room tour. I just took down all my Halloween stuff and then I decorated for fall. So here's a little overview of that. On my door, we have a sign that says leaves are falling, autumn is calling. I kept up this little duck because it's still like, you know, fall. It's got a pumpkin. I kept up the window clings. I put this little scarecrow there. My bed, however, is different. Put a turkey. I think that turkey was already there for Halloween, but I also have this thankful blanket, this harvest blanket that I got in my boo basket. Leaves are leaves are falling, autumn is calling pillow. I got this on Halloween, just like cute little winter bear. And then I got this candy corn pillow. This is what the bed looks like. And then over here is what my dresser looks like. So we have this little thing hanging here that says thankful and blessed, and then hello autumn sign, some candles, cute little gnomes, a mug, some leaves, little turkey dish that holds my earrings, this little bucket with some caramel apple pops inside, cute little turkeys, my favorite scents at the moment, pumpkin swirl cake, and then this twisted caramel apple shower foam stuff, but I use it for my hands to wash them. And then more candles, these cute little pumpkins on the side, live, laugh, love with leaves, these cute signs I got recently. Let me scoot over so you can see this one. And then another candle right there. I also kept up this R pumpkin. I added that cute little Bath & Body Works bag, and then I put a little mug thing right there. And yeah, guys, that is all for my fall room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.